I know a lot of folks are afraid to have surgery because they think they're going to look too different. Nobody wants to look like they've had cosmetic surgery. Unfortunately, there are a few celebrities out there who may have set that fear in motion. But I think on the whole, if work is done carefully, there's no reason for anyone to ever know you had it done. For instance, I enjoy doing eyelids very much. If you take a look at this photograph, there's a before and I believe a 2-month post-op photo. In these pictures, you can clearly see that the patient looks a little more refreshed. I've taken away a little bit of skin from the upper eyelids as well as some fat. I've also taken away some loose skin and tidied up the lower eyelid as well. Again, a little fat was removed in this case because I was trying to basically stop the bags that were forming. I don't think she looks like she had surgery, and you may not recognize that if you saw her walking past you on the street. I have another patient here who also had both upper and lower eyelids operated on. In this case, the operations were done a little bit differently. The upper eyelids, again, some skin and a little bit of fat was removed. But on the lower eyelids, I actually didn't remove any fat at all. Instead, I tried to lift the upper cheek a little bit and reduce the length of her lower eyelid. If you look at the photograph, what I mean to say is the distance from the eyelash here to the bottom of the eyelid here is reduced post-operatively because I was able to lift the volume of the cheek superiorly during the eye lift surgery. Now, she also had a facelift performed at the same time, but when we study beauty, and plastic surgeons actually do wonder quite a bit about what it is that makes someone look better and more youthful. One of the things we believe contributes to our aging process is the length of the lower eyelid. The post-operatively, I think that she looks refreshed, and again, she doesn't necessarily look like she had an operation. I don't think that most people would spot her in the street and say, "Oh my goodness, what a nice eye lift." As I said earlier, I like performing surgery on eyelids because, frankly, when people are having a conversation with you, what they look at is your eyes, typically. So I would like my patients to look natural, look youthful, and look better in general. Please don't be afraid to have these procedures done. They are minimally invasive, very simple, and many times can be done under local anesthetic. If you have questions, please feel free to give me a call.